Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to change home screen wallpaper in our phone Oppo A78 5G. First of all, in our phone, see here, this is home screen and this is the wallpaper that I use in my home screen. If you would like to change wallpaper for this home screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of our phone here, then go to wallpapers and style, and here select wallpaper, and here just select any wallpaper. These are all the static wallpapers, and also you can use online wallpapers. Several wallpapers are available, just select any one. So here I am going to select it from static wallpapers. Just I select this wallpaper and click on apply. Now you go to click on home screen, then only home screen wallpaper will be changed. Yes, go to the home screen, see the changes. Home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. You can also set your photo as wallpaper for our phone. I am going to take a photo now. I have taken the photo and open the photo that you took. Click on more button here and click on set as wallpaper here and click on apply. Now click on home screen and this selected photo will be applied in home screen. Now see the changes. Home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I clicked through camera and just I have selected that photo. Okay, if you would like to change back to default wallpaper, again go to the settings, then go to wallpapers and style and go to wallpapers and here select default wallpaper. Default wallpaper from static wallpapers. Just choose one here and click on apply and click on home screen. So in this way you can restore to default wallpaper. See the changes. So you can easily set a photo as wallpaper for home screen, and at any time you can revert back to default wallpaper. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.